folks, what we have today, this is a great day for HCC. Today we witness, and I'm standing over here in our makeshift hangar for a minute, at our North Forest campus, the Northeast College family of campuses. And this is proud ownership of a Cessna 150. The first airplane, first in our Air Force for HCC, but it's also our first instructional aid for a dynamic program that we're building just for people here, citizens of Houston and our community. Under the leadership of the Chancellor, Dr. Margaret Ford Fisher, leadership of our Dean of the Center of Excellence for Transportation, David Bogle, we are working and building an aviation maintenance technology program.
Well, we took possession of a Cessna 150, which will be an important piece of a training aid for our new aviation maintenance technician program. So starting in fall of 2025, we're going to be offering 2 associate degrees, one in aviation power plant and one in aviation airframe. There's actually 3 components to this program. There's a general aviation component as well as the airframe and power plant. That will enable students to be certificated and earn what they call an A&P license and launch an amazing career.
It's got a 100 horsepower engine. It's basically a training aircraft for pilot training. One of the most prolific trainers that has ever been built. Several thousands have been produced over the years, which makes it a great training aid for beginning mechanics. It's simple, it's to the point, but it has all the same aerodynamic characteristics, same systems that would be on a 747. They fly exactly the same, they work exactly the same. So it's a very good stepping stone for students for an entry-level type of experience in aviation.